Hey guys, today I'm going to be changing the windscreen wiper blades on my 80 series Landcruiser. Now I know a lot of places where you buy them will do this for you, but it's good to know because sometimes they don't. So let's get into it. It's pretty simple. So I have purchased the Trident narrow back metal blades, and this is just the rubber refill. The 80 series Landcruiser has the narrow back blades. So what you can do is you can pull this up. Now there's two ways you can do this. One is you just give that a push like that, and you can buy the whole wiper arm assembly. And then you just take it off like I did just then, and then you can put it back on like that, and away you go. They cost a little bit more, and yeah, today I'm going to be using the actual refills because they are a little bit cheaper. It saves me a little bit of money, which I like to do. So pull them out. We'll just pull one out for now. So we've got one just like that. So on the back here, you'll see that there's a little clip, and that's your retention. That stops it pulling out your wiper blade. Now I like to have them in that way with the clip at the top, so that the force pushes on and stops the blade. Whereas if it's that way, you'll see the rubber can actually pull and stretch. That's just me. So what you do, squeeze in your two little clippy things, just like that. Pull your wiper blade out. Now the wiper blades deteriorate over time because of road grime, grease, stuff like that. Sitting in the sun, they sit on your window, folded over, and they bend, and they don't work as well. Now you need to look at this, see which way the lock is. Now this one has a different lock. There's clips on this one. This one drops into a little groove there. So we just take this, and it will be the other end. We take this, and we just slide it in. So you can see it just slides in there, like that. Make sure you pick up all the little things. Now you want to make sure your wire on the side is running in. If you have a plastic one like this, it has the plastic formed section there for you to do. So you can see the two differences there, the plastic and the metal. Either one works. And you pull it in like that. And forgot to take off the two little retentions that keep the wire in. So make sure you do that. And which way do I want that? That way. Okay, it will work this time. Okay, so it goes, you'll push, and it will go up into the lock up in there, so it can't come out now. Nice and locked. Now what I forgot to take off was these two little plastic retainer clips for the metal. So don't forget to do them. Now, what we'll do is we're going to cut this here with a pair of side cutters, which I need to go and get. Okay, so you want to see roughly about how long your other one is. Now on the metal there is little break points. So if you can get it on one of them, that's a really good idea. They just fold off, snap, pull your other one out, snap that off, and then cut through your rubber. There's your new wiper blade, all sitting in there ready to go. Now the reason that you would replace the whole arm is it is a lot quicker. it does cost a little bit more. Now sometimes they'll start to wobble on there and become loose. So yeah, clip that back on, drop it down, new wiper ready to go. But yeah, if they become loose, do the whole arm, up to you. I'll go do the other side now. There you go, completely done, ready to go. If they don't replace them for you, save some money, do it yourself. Go with the wiper blade refills if you want to save a bit more money. Get out there and have fun four-wheel driving.